Hello, welcome everybody. Today we are creating a lower thirds for our live video. So stay tuned. So here we are in Photoshop Creative Cloud. So we're gonna create a new document here. So let's go to create new, and it's gonna be a video one. So we're gonna go ahead and do the HD video. It's for web, so we'll go ahead and just hit create. Alright, so here's our canvas. So we got our canvas going. So we're gonna get rid of our background. So it's gonna be blank canvas. Alright. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a shape here. So I want something like that kind of like covers the bottom and a little bit of the side here. Okay, and it's gonna have a place to put a logo and a place to like put the lower information. Okay, so we're gonna create a lower thirds. So I'm just gonna start, and we'll change the color, but I'm just gonna start here with a basic shape here. So let's see, that's like, okay, so there's our shape, and it looks like it has some type of fill here in the middle. And actually has like a radio. Okay, so we can do all right, and so here's our shape. So now, actually, I'm just gonna make this a solid color. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna make it a solid color here. No stroke. Okay. All right, so here's our bar. Oh, man, I forget. Can't click on there. So here's our shape. It's a weird shape, but we're gonna start with that, and then I'm gonna add like a circle here, kind of like a circle. All right, and then I'm gonna add another circle here. Oops. Smaller looking circle. Let's make this one like white. Okay, so that's gonna like give us you can always adjust the shapes. Okay. Oops. All right, so there's our shape. So I'm actually gonna change the color again. This kind of looks kind of funny. So we're gonna highlight this shape right here, And let's see. Okay, so you can apply adjustment layer, I guess. So we're gonna go with pretty light. Bluish like that, and then actually we're gonna apply it for both of these. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we just we just merged that. All right. So we are going to export. We'll just call it lower third teal, I guess. And you can put it in a folder where you're gonna be able to find this somewhere. Okay. All right, great. So now, we can take our project here and we're gonna apply, oh, here I am. So we're gonna apply this to our background. So this is image, right? Let's say lower third. Okay, so there is our image right here. And we can go ahead and we can put an image there, we can put anything in there. Yeah, so all right, so that's that. So now you can actually if you wanted to add text, you can add name, and okay, so I'm just gonna add a name here. And you can pick whatever fonts you want. Alright, so let's see, let's put this right here. Okay, so there's a name. And you can actually add another image here. Now this all you can change. You can probably set up different scenes or different sources. Let's see, headshot. All right, let's put a logo. Let's put a logo there. So let's see if I have a logo somewhere. Okay, here's the logo. Okay, so that's one example. So if you wanted to, you can like save. Let's see, maybe you can group these together somehow. Let's see. Okay, so you got lower third, and then you got the video in the back. So let's say I'm gonna take out this. Okay, I'm gonna create a new lower third. Oops. Okay, so this is a new scene. So I wonder, I know that you can kind of like nest things together. Oh, can you group it? Can you group selected items? Okay. Okay, and then on here, I'm gonna add the group. Check that out. So, okay, so let's see. I'm gonna ungroup. Can I remove? Okay, so I'm gonna remove that. Okay, and then I can just add. What happened? Did I remove it from everywhere? Oh man. So I removed the video from everywhere, but okay, so that's fine. So let's add our okay, so there's our video. Okay, so see when I whoop. Oh, see, and that's a group. Okay, so this first one, okay, that's a group here still. All right, so if you want to add multiple things, you can just group them together. And is there a way to fade them in? Can you fade this in? Okay, there's no properties. Blink. So I'm pretty sure there's a way to fade this in somehow. If you know, let us know in the comments below. Yeah. So we got our little lower thirds image. If you got one of these stream decks, you can probably program it to make that fade in. Maybe we can have a video about that sometime. But there you go. There you have it. So we took a Photoshop image with a transparent background. We imported it here, and we put it all as part as a group. Now, see, you can change the names too. So maybe you can have different groups with different names and different logos. You can probably duplicate this, can you? Yeah, you can copy. Let's see, I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna delete that one. Are you sure you wanna remove? Does that remove it from everywhere? No? Okay. Alright, so let's say paste, duplicate. Okay. So we just duplicated this one. And now I'm gonna change the name. Let's put different name. We'll put okay. And then you can kind of rename this one better. Lower third AC. See, you can now, okay, so now we're gonna add the video back. Okay, and then we can paste the original one back. Oh, snap. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, because it's the same. It's the same one now. Okay. So let's see. If you do paste reference, what does that mean? Can you change each one? Oh my gosh. That change it for everybody? Okay, no. What does it? Oh, man. Okay, because these are the same. This one you gotta probably what does that mean? Duplicate. Huh. So it's the same, like these are the same resources, right? So you probably have to, okay, so you have, okay, let's say we have these three, right? And this one's gonna be third in. Go. All right. Okay, so you probably want to name these way better than that, you know, something that makes sense, but okay, let's say that's what you want to do. Okay, so now instead of having this one here, I'm gonna remove, wait, let's see, I'm gonna hit this. You want to remove, okay, so see, that just removed it from there. So now I'm gonna add a new text, Call that one Isaias. Okay. No, there's no undo here. What? Okay. Okay, I'm thinking there's a way to duplicate to a new one. All right, so you can do this. You can just copy it brand new, right? So that's putting it over. Okay, we're gonna put that in there. Okay, so that's the now if I wanted to change this one particularly, let's see. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna okay. So see, it did just do the name, but puts it up here, big. Okay. There has to be a easier way to do this, you think? If you know an easier way to do this, please let me know at the comments below. And that's all I gotta say for this video. Okay. Alright, so we got his name here. So I'm gonna rename this one. So you gotta do a lot of renames, right? Name. What? I'm gonna put in the. I'm gonna delete that one. Okay, so see. So now we have his name in there in that second one. And we just gotta fix this one now. Nope. So you kind of want to keep them all like the same size in the same location. So probably that's why you want to have them all copied from here somehow. Let's see if I rename this one. This one renames the other one. It's tied together somehow. It's the same resource of this one. See, Janice. So that's not what I want to do. So paste duplicate is pretty much, but it puts it at a different size. Oh man, what that did. So copy paste text doesn't do well. So this is probably longer than it needs to be, but as you can see, that is the drawback of doing it this way. So it kind of works, but does it? Okay, you got that, that. Okay, what happened here with the logo? But the logo is behind something. It makes it, oh, it's just hidden. Duh. All right. Okay, so if you got different people talking, you can make a lower third appear, but then see, you run a risk of having less consistency. All right. So there you go. But there's so much more you can do with this OBS. But that's it for today. Hope you like what you saw. Let us know if anything we can improve. Catch us on the live stream with the kids, Dream Kids. We'll see you next time.